Homelessness, a crisis, highlighted by a new report just out in Oregon that shows Oregon the second worst in homelessness in the country. Joyce O'Geary digging deeper into how to close that gap.
Lisa, more than 20,000 people were homeless in Oregon in a single night last year, and that's according to the new report. Jason Green, who led the report, says there's not enough affordable housing.
So many more people are being pushed into homelessness by rising housing prices than we are able to pull out of homelessness, even though we're doing better and better at it.
A new report by Portland State University Homelessness Research and Action Collaborative revealing troubling numbers. It found a nearly 9% increase of homelessness statewide from 2022. The number of available beds continues to fall short of meeting demand. The state needs 140,000 new housing units to address ongoing shortages. While the total number of people experiencing homelessness are highest in Multnomah, Lane, and Deschutes County last year, the highest rates are found in several rural and semi-rural counties.
What we really need to do is focus not just on addressing homelessness for people who are already there, but on preventing homelessness by ensuring that people have enough housing and that they can stay in housing when they have it. So we definitely need more shelter beds, but we should keep in mind that they're not a solution. They're just a stopgap on the way to housing.
Governor Tina Kotek asked the legislature for $65 million to stabilize the shelter system earlier this week. The governor is also proposing a bill to advance housing production in the 2024 session, using $500 million in existing state resources. And that legislative session begins on Monday in Salem. We'll be watching closely. Live in downtown Portland, Joyce O'Geary, KOIN 6 News.
Thanks, Joyce. Now, reaction to the report? Horrible is how the head of Blanche House described it. Blanche House is a nonprofit organization in downtown Portland that helps the homeless by providing meals, clothes, beds, and job help. The executive director told KOIN 6 today one especially troubling finding is that the number of homeless women was 43%. That percentage growing larger each year.
And we understand that a lot of the women who are experiencing homelessness and housing insecurity do so because of domestic violence, sexual assault, sexual abuse, and sex trafficking in our community.
Jack Herman wants to remind us the data collected was in January a year ago, and he expects it will be another record-setting year in 2024 when it comes to the number of unsheltered people in the metro area and around the state.